नमस्कार, मी पल्लवी देशमुख, शिवांगी खेडकर, आपकी अपनी शिवांगी खेडकर. And thank you, Celeb Mode, for having me here, for having such an amazing interview.
So, hello Shivangi, aka Pallavi Raghav Rao. Welcome to Celeb Mode. So, tell us, how have you been?
I am amazing. I have been shooting. I've been doing what I love. I love acting. I've been doing that every day. So my life is like amazing. It's all good.
Okay. So, share something with your Raghavi fans कि आगे उनको मेहंदी रचने वाली में what are they getting to see Raghav Pallavi के बीच?
So the current track is Raghav's ex coming in their life. Pallavi trying to deal with it in a mature way. This is what the current track is. And of course, there's a mishap which has happened from Raghav's side. And of course, also. But a lot of people are saying that we need a proper breakup scene. We need this, we need that. So I don't know about a proper breakup scene, but I'm sure you're going to get what you want. Because if there is some action, there is definitely going to be a reaction from Pallavi's side, which she has not done yet because she didn't know things. I'm sure things are going to come out and she's going to get to know, and you will know what her reaction is going to be like soon. So do not lose hopes. Do not think that the track is not good. Just stay tuned to Mehendi Rachne Wali. You'll get to see what you want to. You are going to get to see what you want to. You will see a real-time situation and you will see yourself there mostly. It can be anybody's side. It can be being Pallavi, it can be being Raghav, or it can be being Isha. So just wait for it. You'll feel like, oh, this is my story. This is what I've gone through, and this is what had happened to me, and you'll relate to most of it. So just have some patience.
Okay. So, since अभी राघव पल्लवी के बीच में ईशा has come, तो फैंस को ईशा पसंद नहीं आ रही है. Since अभी कहीं तो बात आगे बढ़ रही थी राघव पल्लवी के बीच में, but you're seeing that पल्लवी ने finally अपने लिए stand लिया है और ईशा को जवाब दिया. So, what would you like to say about that?
Yeah, so initially even I was like, there's no reaction from Pallavi's side. Why not being jealous? Why is she being this good? But I think if I am somewhere a little like Pallavi, who will be nice to a person if somebody is in trouble, somebody is going through something. Has tried to manipulate Raghav. She has tried to tell Raghav that this is not the way you do things or certain things. And Pallavi has done so much. She's taken a bullet because he was doing illegal business and other things. So Pallavi's like, this is every other woman who will tolerate everything that is going to come to her. Let it be with respect to being jealous or insecure or, always a woman is a woman is always a giver who will be like, as long as my man is happy, as long as my family is not bothered and not harmed, I'm going to tolerate everything that you're doing. But the day she gets to know that you are fooling around with my husband, you are fooling around with his brain, I'm going to give it back. And I was like, this is the time I am going to do this scene. Like I was like well prepared. It was like a one shot scene, one take. We finished it off. Yes, of course, there was cutting. Master to एक take में निकल गया था because I was like, this is what people will want to see. This is what, because now Pallavi knows that somewhere she's trying to manipulate, and it was fun. It was a fun scene because I whenever I do such scenes, I'm speaking for all those women who are going through the same thing, who are the same. जब बच्चे की बात आती है, जब हस्बैंड की बात आती है, तो एकदम शेरनी बन जाती है. तो I only had that thing in my mind, and I went and I was like, thud, fire.
तो उसमें से एक ऐसी लाइन है जो आपको बोलने में बहुत ही मजा आई, तो वो जरा बोल के बताइए.
उसमें से कि देखो, राघव मेरा पति है, उसे क्या करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए, कैसे जीना चाहिए, ये मैं और राघव डिसाइड करेंगे. तुम्हें हमारे बीच आने की जरूरत नहीं है. समझ लो. बाय.
एंड में वो समझ था. ऑलराइट. So on screen तो हमें दिख ही रहा है how you are with your घमंडी राव, but is he in real life also off screen घमंडी राव?
वो घमंडी राव हुआ करता था. Sai is an introvert like I am, but I am a quiet introvert. He is a loud introvert who has a very strong reaction to anything and everything that you do. He's going to be angry if you're doing something. I'm somebody who will not react. I'll just walk off. So he used to react very strongly earlier. We used to have a lot of creative differences. We used to fight a lot on the set. We used to call a writer, a director. And he's like, oh, this guy I can't tolerate. I called up Sandeep sir once in the night and I'm like, listen, this man is irritating me. Please do something about it. He's like, kya ho gaya Shivangi? And I'm like, this was the scene. We were doing this. I was supposed to do this. But Sandeep sir, of course, has, he's a very smart, mature person. He's like, okay, next time you guys fight, don't come to me later. I'm not your mommy who's going to be like, हाँ मैं डांटती हूँ. When you guys are fighting or you are having a creative difference, you call me, I'll sort it. So that happened. And after that, when we started doing a lot of scenes together, it was just me and him most of the time on the set, the whole day. So we were like, we don't have a choice. बात तो आपस में ही करनी पड़ेगी, वरना दोनों पागल हो जाए. So then we started talking and I was like, oh, this guy is rude just because he's like a little protective. He's like, yeah, I have my guards up. I'm going to be a little rude and show that I'm a strong person. But he's a very, very soft-hearted person. He's a very innocent. I keep telling him, you're very innocent. Jo hai, he'll just say it on the face. He'll not like keep it inside. So now it's all good. Now we do have creative differences, but now we know that we should not fight over it. We should maybe maturely sit and talk. So we do that now and everything is good now. No fighting. Touch wood.
Okay. So there have been romantic scenes between you and Sai. So कभी ऐसा blooper हुआ है romantic के बीच में आपको हंसी छूट गई हो या उनकी हंसी छूट गई हो?
When we do the rehearsals, that time, initial days we used to be very awkward. Oh, we have to do this. Oh, we have to do that. And romance looks very beautiful on screen because it's cuts. But real life में ना कहीं आपके बाल अटकते हैं कहीं आपकी साड़ी का पल्लू उसके कहीं अटक गया है. So this is real life romance which happens on the set and then we have to work it out. We have to choreograph it that way that the sari doesn't come in between or I don't get stuck somewhere. So now after doing so many scenes together, that too romantic, now it's very easy. Now we know. Now it's like very smooth for us and it's fun to do romantic scenes. I don't know why. I feel comedy and romance is something I love doing for this show. So it's good now. Romance is like a by हाथ का खेल हम लोगों के लिए. Perform well. He's like he reacts to it very well. We laugh, but only in the rehearsal. No, Sai laughs. Actually, honestly, Sai laughs. He will laugh in comedy scenes. And there are a few scenes which have been telecasted. There's one scene where I'm holding him and मेरे अंदर आत्मा आ गई and all that. And this person has laughed. And they have it's a very microsecond kind of a thing. But if you see the episode, you'll see him laughing. So he does that. And then I am like, why? I gave such a nice thing and it becomes awkward also because if he's laughed, I did something very funny and very weird.
Yeah.
We do it.
Okay. This was about a Ragbi moment. But is there any scene जिसके लिए आपने ज़्यादा takes लिए हो?
ज़्यादा takes. ऐसा बहुत टाइम होता है when sometimes your mind is exhausted because you're learning such big lines every day. Every scene is your scene because you're the only person talking and everybody's just like. So that happens and when the lines are stuck, you're just so badly stuck that वो जो loop आपका बैठ जाता है वो उससे बाहर निकलना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. But I think ये मारने का सीन होता है ना, मुझे बड़ा मजा आता है क्योंकि मैं तब I am the person who's hitting. I am the one who's hitting. Sai is the person maximum times who's taking it, and I love doing that. I tell everybody on the set, किसका किसका बदला लेना है अभी बता दो, मैं इसको असल में मारूंगा ना. Actually hit that person in real. झाड़ू से जो जितने भी सीन हुए हैं, I've hit him in real. डंडे से जो मारा है, I've hit him in real. वो डंडा टूट गया था तब तक मारा है मैंने. Poor guy didn't say a word.
उसका आफ्टर रिएक्शन था घमंडी राव का.
आफ्टर रिएक्शन ही इज लाइक, शिवांगी तू कर ले, दिस इज योर सीन, निकाल, तू सारा बदला निकाल, 8 महीने का 6 महीने का सब बदला निकाल दे.
ओके, तो ऑन सेट अपार्ट फ्रॉम साई आपकी ज्यादा किसके साथ जमती है?
I think Rutuja is a very good friend. We both have a common taste in food. We have a common taste in traveling and everything. So I relate most of the time to her. But I like hanging out with Ajinkya sir, who's my kaka, Milind Deshmukh. Both of us every morning we'll just come, we'll stand in front of each other and we'll be like, आज का episode देखा? हाँ देखा. It's like a कैसे लगा? मुझे ये अच्छा नहीं लगा. हाँ मुझे भी अच्छा लगा. Then we get into this like conversation of what was not good, what was good, and we have this very good work talk happening. So I like that. Then Sulochana is very chill. Sulochana is somebody who's very outgoing, who's almost like Sai, who will be like, hey, listen, do not talk nonsense to me. I'm a person who's going to not take nonsense. So she's also fun when sit and talk to her. And then these three people, so I always like chill with.
Okay, and अब shows की बात हो रही है, so we want to know, would Shivangi rather do खतरों के खिलाड़ी or Bigg Boss?
Yeah, I'm very scared of Chipkali. So the other day we got a gift from one of our fans, and both of us were together because we, that's the routine. We pack up, we come home together because nowadays we are the last people who are shooting. So both of us come together. Our caretaker will receive our gifts and the parcels. We'll take that, we'll come up, we'll open it together because most of the time they're together. We opened and there was this very cute box which had Pringles and chocolates and earrings and stuff, and I was like very, very happy. And there was one cockroach, a toy in my thing, and there was a Chippy and Sai ka box, and oh my god, Sai is like, close your eyes, there's something interesting also. And I closed my eyes like, haath de. And he kept that chipkari, and oh god, I was very, very upset with him. I said, I'm not talking to you. I'm not going to henceforth talk to you, chill with you or whatever. You are not a good friend because I hate chupkalis. I hate. But I am not a Bigg Boss person also. I don't fight back. I'll just be like, I will advise somebody, this is wrong, this is right. I'll take the advice and I'll walk out. So Bigg Boss is not a place for me. I think Bigg Boss खुद मुझे घर छोड़ने के लिए आएंगे अगर मैं Bigg Boss में जाऊंगी. He'll be like, मैम आप प्लीज चिल कीजिए, हम आपको रोज पॉपकॉर्न बेचते हैं, आप घर पे बैठ के बिग बॉस देखिए पर बिग बॉस में आइए. So I think I would love to come out of that fear of chipkali and reptiles, and I would love to do Khatron ke Khiladi.
Okay, so if you had a chance to send one of your friends, who would you send in Bigg Boss?
Bigg Boss? I think I'll send Sai. I'll send Sai. Because he'll be a very, very interesting person. He is somebody who will not keep it inside. तो वो जो है वो बोल देगा. तो मजा आएगा देखने के लिए. And if he'll get somebody like him only over there, it's going to be a fun scene to watch. Sai is getting back from somebody who's similar to him, who's not tolerating anything, who's not like, okay, we'll sort it out later, who's giving it back. I think I'd like to see him in Bigg Boss, but I don't think he'll want to go in Bigg Boss because he's mentioned before that he doesn't want to go in Bigg Boss.
All right. And lastly, fans and viewers get a quick message.
I would just like to say that I know a lot of you were upset with the track. A lot of you were unhappy with however they were portraying Raghav and Pallavi. But just have some patience. Stick to your television screen at 5:30 in the evening every Monday to Saturday. You are going to get what you have been asking for. You will get your reward. 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 You will get your r get a closure to it. Closure to, I don't know. I haven't read the screenplays yet, but yes, you will. They were eagerly waiting for a good reaction from Pallavi's side about the whole scenario, which you will get soon. Which you will get to know soon. You would love to see. You will definitely relate to it. Most of us, this is a real time situation. A lot of us have been cheated. A lot of us have differences in relationships. So you are going to feel that that's you. You are going to feel, you are going to know what it is. So please, please, please stick to your television screen. Just wait for the track to go ahead and just have some patience.
Thank you so much. Let's meet soon. Bye.
Bye.